what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video is we are going to install the overpipe of the BRZ. I just got this one a couple days ago, so we're going to install this one and hopefully we'll get better airflow to our exhaust system. So let's go and install it right now. So I jacked up the car already. So another safety measures that I put there is tire and make it higher, you know, safety first. So I jacked it up already, and let's go take off the under panel right there. There's like 1, 2, 3, like the plastic pins that you have to take off. And then there is this bolt over there that you need to take off as well. So let's go and let's go and take that off right now. So we already removed those plastic pins and stuff. So there is, I don't know what size is that. Probably it's in like 8 mil. So I'm gonna go get an 8 mil and take that off first. There's 2 of them actually. And then, oh no, 3. There's 3 of them. Oh, actually I lied, there's 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the rest, it will be 10 we got mil. The under frame or under cover off. So let's go and move on. I believe we have to take this tray as well. So let's go and take that off, the plastic one. So there will be another 10 mil, I believe. So update, we are ready to go to get that. Take that off right there. You have to take that off, and then I don't know what size is that, but you have to take that off, and then we have to take that off over here as well, right there, so you can get the overpipe, this one, that pipe right there. Sorry if that video is not really good. But yeah, you have to take that out, and then I believe you have to take this engine bolt as well, so that you can jack up the engine a little bit, so that you can take out this overpipe. So yeah, let's go and do that one really quick, and hopefully we're not gonna get into an issue. So wish me luck, and let's go do this. Yeah. So let's go and update. The mid pipe is off already. There now. I'm just gonna take this. This one's off now too. Now I'm just gonna undo the bolt right there, and then the bolt on the chassis right under here. And then this one should come off. So we jack this up. I put that because this jack has a rubber in there. So I put that rubber like right in the middle, so it looks good. And then took that all off already. Gonna change this one to the new one. So take this off, and we're gonna replace this to the new gasket that comes with the kit. So yeah, so let's do a little comparison with this overpipe. So this one is the heat shield, that right there, and then this is the new one. right over here. So yeah. A little comparison right there. Old, new, OEM, aftermarket. So let's put it back together, and then yeah, it's easier to, you know, have that like jack up the engine a little bit, because yeah, it's more easier. There's a lot of access right there. So yeah. So just an update. We put back everything together, and then I started the car. There was no leak. I just have to put the under panel and everything, and it's a bit raining outside. I can't really do any driving right now, but I will continue the video tomorrow. So yeah, in 3, 2, 1, this is tomorrow.